Cowboy clams, a simple barbecue recipe you probably never heard of or had the chance to try. But I'm going to show you today how simple it is. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. I bet you a lot of you guys don't even realize this. I'm from Nova Scotia, where clams are absolutely delicious. So I thought to myself, why not show my followers how to cook cowboy clams? You're going to start with some lump charcoal in a charcoal grill. If you have a Kamado grill or really anything that can grill with charcoal, that's going to work perfectly fine here. Now, we're using clams. We want to make sure just to wash them off, give them a quick rinse. Don't soak them. People always say to soak clams. You don't want to soak clams. That's not the right idea. But what the right idea is simply placing them directly into that bed of coals. And try your best to make sure that the clams are level when they're in the coals, okay? So what's going to happen during this cook is they're just going to sit there. The shell is what's actually going to cook the clam. And when it's finally done cooking, it's going to open up. There's going to be a bunch of juices in there, and we don't want them to spill out. Now, I'm going to be very clear here. It's not easy to keep the juices in. So if they do spill out, don't worry about it. It's going to be perfectly fine. We're throwing a delicious garlic butter on there. But guys, this one's next level for like a simple little barbecue appetizer. All right, so we've put all the clams down in that coal bed, and we're just going to let them ride, okay? It's nothing crazy here. The barbecue's probably at about 400 degrees, and this is probably going to take between 3 and 6 minutes before you start noticing some of those clams opening up. Now, again, I said this earlier, but we want to make sure it's lump charcoal, and you want to make sure it's like nice and white the way I have it here. You don't want flames kicking up. If it's still lit, that's not the right time to put the clams on yet. Now, I have this little dish here. It fits perfectly down in there. I put it in a little stick of butter, and I'm hitting it with some white lightning with double garlic butter by Boar's Night Out. Guys, this seasoning is delicious, and it hit up this little butter perfectly for these clams. So if you see the clams there, you'll notice those mouths are just starting to open up, okay? Real close. The wider they're getting here, the better. But there's going to be a point where you're going to start seeing it almost like sizzle out foam. The juices from within the clams will release. We want to grab it right then. That's right when you want to take it and pull it off, okay? Just after those juices release. You can leave it for just a few moments in there. But yeah. And so if you want that garlic butter to melt a little bit faster, throw it directly onto the coal bed, and it will start coming down, melting all together. We're just going to, basically melt that down. Then once all our clams are open, we're just going to pour it right into each of the clams. It's going to be absolutely delicious. And a friendly reminder, be careful. You're reaching down into a coal bed. Don't burn your fingers. Make sure you're using an insulated glove. So here it is. Check it out. Delicious clams. Hit with some chives and that garlic butter. These are spectacular. They're so flavorful and the perfect little appetizer right before a full dinner. I love seafood. I love grilling, and cowboy clams are just fun. If you have a charcoal grill and, want to feel like a man with some seafood, you definitely got to try this recipe out. It's an absolute blast. As always, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Thanks again. Take care, stay safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe.